due to the intense work done here at the Western Institute of Neuropsychiatry in Utah by Dr. Louis Monty Block. The doctor has concentrated on research that tests the response of a long-thought dormant receptacle in the nose, the vomeronasal organ, or VNO. This is the organ that senses human pheromones.
I think that since this is a new field of research, we are probably dealing with a new sensory system, a sixth sense, which is the vomeronasal system. Just breathe normally. When a human individual is exposed to a human pheromone, we found that they relate a state of well-being, feeling comfortable, feeling more secure, and we found that through scientific studies that were conducted in our laboratories.
While other fragrances have used animal pheromones like musk for years in the hopes of affecting human behavior, they have no true pheromonal effect on people.
Pheromones are species specific, so in order to get an effect on the human vomeronasal organ by using a perfume, it's of no value to add an animal pheromone such as a pig pheromone. All you'll get is a fragrance that will be effective on a pig.
As for the human pheromones found in realm, the most important quality they have are the way they affect the wearer.
The pheromones that have been discovered to date, the human pheromones, are not aphrodisiacs. They tend to affect the individual. So the ones that are used in the fragrance, for example, don't attract other people. They make you feel better about yourself, and that in turn may have a secondary effect and attract other people. But they're not aphrodisiacs. I am really impressed by the amount of scientific research that's gone into this particular product, because it didn't come out of a desire to make a fragrance. The fragrance came out of the research that showed the VNO exists and human pheromones work.
Fragrance consultant Anne Gottlieb helped develop the fragrance.
From the beginning, it was clear that this was going to be the marriage of science and fragrance is certainly something that has been such a major part of my life, that to be able to learn and be a part of a whole new dynamic of it was very thrilling to me.